2006 Ford Econoline handicap wheelchair van, high top conversion van, Grand Sport. This van has 43,000 original miles. Gorgeous, clean Carfax, rust free, runs great, beautiful van. It has a passenger side transfer seat. Tires are great, well kept. I'll give you the tour of this van. Everything works the way it's supposed to. Has a rear folding bed. Beautiful van. This is a 2006 Ford E250 Grand Sport. Was converted by A&J Vans. Gorgeous van. 43,000 original miles, rust free. Real beauty. Has a passenger side 6-way transfer seat. Has a TV, DVD, all your blinds. The top paint is in great shape. There's a few small little blemishes due from minor wear and tear. There's a couple marks on the hood. Other than that, the van's gorgeous. Pretty laser straight down the sides. The seats and carpet are very nice. There's a couple little areas on the interior that have been rubbed up against with a wheelchair. Point those out. Other than that, very tough to find. 43,000 miles. How nice and straight it is down the side. Very nice van. All the chrome is nice. The wheels and tires are in great shape. You can see the paint. There's no rust on this van. The lift is in excellent shape. Works great. The previous owner installed these bungee cords, which is great. It holds the doors open when you're operating the lift. Helps make things easier. The flat screen TV, DVD. Carpet's in excellent shape. Rear folding bed. This is manual. Works very easily. Got plenty of room. 6-way transfer seat. This van also comes with the extra seat here in the back. You can remove that very easily. It also has a brand new easy lock system there. And I'm not sure that that is hooked up, but that could be hooked up very easily if you wanted it to. That's underneath the seat here. I'll show you where that is in a second. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com. We are happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Ask for the van man. That is Jeff. We buy and sell a lot of handicap, high top conversion vans. This is our specialty. If you have any questions whatsoever, please give us a call. 954-561-2499. As you can see, 43,000 miles. What a beauty. No warning lights on. The e-brake is on. You need that on to operate the lift. It also does have a lift shut-off system here, which is great, so it won't draw power on the battery when the van is shut off. A lot of these vans will draw power. As you can see, big plush seats. 6-way transfer seat on the passenger side. Clean Carfax all the way. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. If you have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help at any time. Here is your transfer seat. Interior is in excellent shape. Seats and carpet are in excellent shape. Got your blinds. Very nice, clean, low mileage van. We search high and low for vans like this. There's a little material here that's a little frayed from probably a wheelchair, and there's a little material on this back seat that's a little frayed. Other than that, the interior is very, very nice and clean. Van is running, it runs excellent. Cold air, no stories whatsoever. You got your flat screen TV, DVD, probably never used. It kind of looks like it's never been used. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com. We do take trades. Tell us what you got. We buy and sell many handicap, wheelchair conversion vans. Show you how the lift works here. Pretty good setup. Nice and easy. Smooth transitions. I gotta move that transfer seat in. See that? Very nice and easy. Give us a call. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. Swivel that transfer seat so the lift can fold in. Works very easily. Seamless operation to use this van. Giving you the full scope here. Excuse me. Nice and easy. It's the transfer seat. You go up with it. Right back into place. And the unit for the transfer seat itself is in great shape. There's a few little crackling spots on the little trim panel here, but overall it's in excellent shape. Go ahead and fold this lift in. You can operate it on the lift or use the pendant. It's working good. Folds right up. All in place. Excellent setup. And you can power this off. Doesn't draw power. You can keep it on and you can use the kill switch in the front. A very nice, easy setup. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We are happy to help at any time. Thank you.